think it's a very interesting concept, and I think it's got an awful lot of potential for the industry. I think this has been very difficult environment with the temperatures and the runway surface conditions. It's been a very good operational test for the unit.
We're looking at soft runway conditions, soft taxiways, all asphalt, 112 degrees. I'm really impressed. I can only see one issue, cold weather, is contamination, taxiway ramp contamination. Other than that, I can't see any problem with this unit working in cold weather.
I think this has got potential on a lot of airplanes, particularly some of the smaller airplanes that do more multiple turnarounds. That's where there's going to be even some more compounded benefits on those type of airplanes rather than on the big long-haul airplanes that only do a couple of departures a day.
I would add to Hugh's comments that within the Air Canada fleet, I think it'd be excellent for our short-haul operations. I can really see it being a benefit to an airline such as Southwest. Many landings, many departures, many gate arrivals per day, eliminating the need for a tug.